Hello, I'm going to show you with this video how to use Scrapebox to do some harvesting of blogs that are spammable, and it's really not that hard to do. It was something I discovered. I hadn't seen other guys doing it, so as a newbie to Scrapebox, I thought this would have been helpful when I started, and maybe it'll be helpful to some other guys that are just starting to use. Okay, so you want to find a blog that's been spammed. Got one here. You can see loads and loads of garbagey comments, all kinds of links from here to sites. What we're going to do is find one of these, like this one here, and copy that link address. So the idea is that this guy spammed here. He's probably spammed other places, point back to his site. So we're going to use Scrapebox to take a look at the other places he spammed, and then try and post at those places as well, because if he was able to do it, we're probably able to do it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to paste that one into the harvester, and you want to have your proxies set up for this. I already set up my proxies before starting. But okay, so first we go to the add-on. That is a backlink checker, and we import that here and check the backlinks. So this, I believe it's going out to Yahoo to get the backlinks. Here we go. We could show them now, and you'll see all of the different backlinks this thing had. There was 162 of them, and we're assuming that lots of them are spammable blogs. And we're going to try and do some spamming on those same blogs. There is two schools of thought, I guess, whether or not making a link on a already spammed blog is worthwhile, and the other is that a link is a link. So we're going to go with a link is a link for now. You can decide if that's the case later, whether or not you really want to post to these things. Alright, so it's still downloading here. It takes a little bit of time. Let's see. Maybe I'll pause and come back. Alright, so we're finally back, and it went and got 174 backlinks and gave us the URLs for those backlinks. You can see a lot of them are blogs. There's a bunch of blogs in there. So we want to export these to a text file. We're going to be using them later, so here's spam blogs. I'll just overwrite that one and exit back out of here and load those up into the harvester, and these are them. So here's 174 of them. We can remove some duplicate domains. I want to post all in the same place. 91 of them are gone. We have 83 left. You could check PageRank, whatever you want to do now. You have the idea, but basically at this point you have your the places that you can post to. You just got to find out how to post. So we're going to go to the blog analyzer and take a look at those. These are the ones that were left in the harvester. Take a look at them and figure out what type of blogs they are, so we know which kind of comment poster to use. Now you see it detects whether or not you need a CAPTCHA or if there's spam protection. It gives you a platform. It's actually a pretty nice tool. As you know, Scrapebox is just a great tool in general. The trick is figuring out different ways to use it. And as a newbie, it could be quite intimidating and overwhelming. So here was a video that might help someone. Okay, so now we'll just go through and filter out the bad ones and get rid of the CAPTCHAs if you need to. You could leave them. I get rid of them. I don't have a CAPTCHA service. And then we see there's some WordPress. There's a blog engine. There's WordPress. Okay, so let's just save the WordPress since there's only a few of them. We'll save that to a file. We'll call it WordPress 2. Here, I'll overwrite this one I've used in the past. Garbage. Done here. Now I import them from that file oops, I'm sorry, we import from the WordPress 2. And there's the 4 that we want to try and post on. So these are WordPress blogs. Choose the WordPress commenter here. So now we're going to try and post to the WordPress blogs. I've loaded them in the top here. You could transfer them down to the harvester, or down to the commenter, and take a look at them. So there they are. They all came from here. We knew they were WordPress because we used the blog analyzer before. And we can begin posting. So let's see what happens here. You can see down here, it's trying the 4 of them. Hopefully one succeeds for the demonstration here, but you probably know this part already. It doesn't matter, I guess, if one of these succeed or not. The point is, if you were to look at those URLs, you'd see that they were WordPress blogs, and they did include backlinks to that guy, and the whole idea is to just be able to post on those. The main, none of them worked, so we're not going to try. But the main idea was to show you the way of getting lots of places that potentially you can leave a link. So I hope you learned something from this. All right, take care.